Now, raise your hand if you know exactly what the difference is between generative AI, AI with automation, and AGI. Building it around 2017, launched in 2018, $250,000. It increased the resolution rate by 20%.
Even before ChatGPT came out, I was already delivering AI solutions, financial services, fintech, like earliest adopters, quick decisioning tools. I was in between the technical team and the business.
We are living through the biggest shift in how business gets done since the internet. You can feel it in every board meeting, every strategy day, every conversation that starts with, what are we doing about AI? But knowing it and knowing what to do about it are two very different things. Every single day, I see what's working, what's failing, and what the companies getting this right are doing that everyone else isn't.
AI agents are just the next step in automation. They're the start of a new way of working, thinking, and building.